Namaskar, Khushro Bhitia, myself Jivin Dr. Pramila Gazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today our topic is ovulation. Ovulation is the process by which Graafian follicle in the ovary rupture and the ovum is released into the abdominal cavity. Ovulation occurs on 14th day of menstrual cycle in a normal cycle of 28 days. The ovum, which is released into abdominal cavity, enter the fallopian tube through the fabricated end of tube. Usually, only one ovum is released from any one of ovaries. LH is responsible for ovulation. Stages of ovulation. Graafian follicle move towards the periphery of ovary. New blood vessels are formed in ovary by action of LH and progesterone. These blood vessels protrude into the wall of follicles. This increases the blood flow to follicles. Now prostaglandin is released from granulosa cells of follicle. It causes leakage of plasma into follicles. Just before ovulation, the follicles swell and protrude against the capsule of ovary. This protrusion is called stigma. Then progesterone activities activate the proteolytic enzyme present in cell of theca interna. These enzyme weakens the follicular capsule and causes degeneration of the stigma. After about 30 minutes, the fluid begin oozes from the follicles through the stigma. It decreases the size of follicles, causing rupture of stigma. Now, ovum is released from follicle along with fluid and plenty of small granular cell into the abdominal cavity. So, in this diagram, you can see movement of Graafian follicle to periphery of ovary by LH and progesterone, formation of new blood vessels in ovary, and then protrusion of blood vessels into follicular cell, follicular wall, increased blood vessel, blood flow to follicles, leakage of plasma into follicles, swelling of follicle, and after that oozing of follicular fluid, release of ovum. Determination of ovulation time. Various methods are available to determine the ovulation time in human being. Usually direct method are adopted, such as determination of body temperature, determination of hormonal excretion in urine, determination of hormonal level in plasma, ultrasound scanning, and cervical mucus pattern. Determination of hormonal excretion in urine. At the time of ovulation, there is increase in urine excretion of metabolic end product of estrogen and progesterone. The end product of estrogen metabolism are estrone, estriol, and 17B estradiol. The end product of progesterone metabolism is pregnenolone. Determination of hormonal level in plasma. Plasma level of FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone is measured. Hormone level is altered at the time of ovulation and after ovulation. At the time of ovulation, FSH level decrease, LH level increase, estrogen level increase. After ovulation, progesterone level increase. Ultrasound scanning. Process of ovulation can be observed in ultrasound scanning. Cervical mucus pattern. When the cervical mucus is spread on a slide is examined under microscope, it shows fan pattern. This pattern disappears after ovulation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.